So, as the video title, more dramas with the van. I don't know if I mentioned in previous video, not the previous one before that, I was getting gases, like diesely smell in the cab, but not like a diesel spillage or leak. It was more like breathing, sort of engine breather, that sort of smell, but it's also smell a bit oily, diesely. So kept on checking the engine, make sure there's no leaks, couldn't hear anything unusual. And then today when I went to go out in the van, started it up, just popped the bonnet up to see if it was still okay. And I could hear like it sounded like a choo-choo train. It was going like so I thought, oh, that sounds like a compression, you know, as a compression stroke, as pistons coming up. It's the gases are getting past something. So took the air filter cleaner box off, disconnected one of the sensors which brought up the engine management light, sprayed some water down onto the injectors with some very liquid, and lo and behold, number 3 injector was leaking, so the gases were bypassing the copper washer that's at the bottom of the injector. So took it all apart, and there was, when I put the injector in, obviously replaced them all, cleaned it up as much as I could, and it was getting a bit dark, so it was a bit, perhaps I should have left it until the morning, but a little bit of crap had fell down, and it was jammed between the washer and the injector, so it was bypassed. I don't know why I didn't hear it straight away after it was done, but for some reason it was just more apparent a few days later. So just took number 3 and 4 injectors out, because they're sort of connected together with the bracket that holds them in. Give it a real good clean up. Actually put a little hose, like a vacuum hose, on my Hoover to suck up all the surrounding crap, sorry about swearing, to make sure nothing would fall down there again. Cleaned it all up, put it all back together, can't hear the noise, and the good news is it's not smelly in the cab no more, so hopefully, touch wood, that problem solved. I've got the engine running at the moment. I'm just checking for diesel leaks, because it's got so many diesel pipes going on it and onto the engine I had to take off, and other pipes for return fuel, stuff like that. So it seems okay at the moment. No smells in the cab, which is brilliant, because with the upcoming winter, obviously need the heater on for to clear all the glass and whatnot. So far so good. So hopefully I haven't spoken too soon, and hopefully it will be okay from this point on for a little while. So yeah, so that's how my Sunday is going. So it's gone from meant to be doing the MG, that changed, noticed an issue with the van, which now hopefully is fixed, and it's a little bit later on in the afternoon. It actually looks like it's going to chuck it down in a minute. So yeah, so that's probably my day done, I suppose, now. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, take a look at the other uploads, share the video. I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next upload.